Well, through Dr. Dollar's teaching is what helped me greatly. I had some debt that needed to be paid, and then I just started focusing on the promises. I confess every day, God supply all my needs. So what I was doing was focusing on the promise and then resting. My problem before that is I would focus on the promise, but I was in unbelief. I wasn't resting. I went to pay my mortgage, and they said, Ms. Jackson, you have $1,400 in reserve. And when they said that, I was like, wow, I never even heard of reserve. But I know who did it. I knew God did it. And since then, it was $1,400, $1,200, $800, $500, just different amounts, month after month. And then even with my family, I had a nephew who called me, and he said, Auntie, I'm calling you because I want to pay a bill for you. And he said to me, and this is just the beginning. What? This is just the beginning? Just recently he called me again, and he says, Auntie, I want to pay a bill for you. And he said, also, I want to put cash in your pocket. I was like, wow, thank you, Lord. You know, you don't have to do it, but I do receive it. Thank you, thank you. And in the latter part of 2012, I received a letter from my mortgage stating that as of April 2013, your mortgage payment has been reduced. Yes, yes. And I also want to give thanks to God about a vehicle in June of 2012. He blessed me with a brand new 2012 vehicle. God has been so awesome to me. And when Pastor said the supernatural is in your home,
this is the setup that will enable the glory to visit your house.
Pastor, the supernatural has been in my home and got his own room and board, and he ain't coming out. God has been so good to me.